Alright guys, what is up? So, today was supposed to be a chill day. I didn't have a lot going on. We were just gonna chill, edit some videos, but my wife just called me. The Granite guys called her. They said they were able to get out here today if we were ready for the countertops. So, I said send them over. I gotta get the supports on here real quick. They'll be here like in 30 minutes, so I gotta get that on and just get ready for them. And we're gonna get the countertops installed today, so stick around. Alright guys, so we started with the supports for the island. These were made by the same people that made our cabinet. We stained them, we had them ready to go, and we just installed them the day that the countertops were coming in. And once the Granite guys got here, I went outside to take a look at our slabs while they were on the truck. Alright, so our color is called Unique Calcatta Macchia Vechia, something like that. But it's a 3 centimeter thick quartz. And after a little bit of planning, the guys brought in this big piece here. This is the piece with the sink cutout in it. It's a little bit of an L shape and it's pretty long. They brought it in on this little dolly that they had that was pretty cool. And they just wheeled it in, put it into position so that they could lift it up and slide it on top of the cabinets.
Más para rápido. ¿Ya atrás? Sí, parece que ya lo botones. Ok.
Alright, after they got that piece in, they brought in a small piece for the counter that goes to the left of the kitchen. And it had a little notch that needed to be cut out because it had a little piece of the wall that had to stick out there. So they went ahead and cut it out. And finally they brought in the island, which is the biggest piece. They adjusted it, they put it on there, and it looks pretty nice. I love the veining on here. Has a little bit of goldish in it. It just looks really good. Next they started mixing some epoxy bondo stuff, and they told me they were going to use that to attach the countertop to the cabinet so that it wouldn't move. They also said to add silicone around the edges. I haven't done that yet, but it's on my to-do list. This stuff was pretty strong. It smelled. Everybody in here was pretty. Alright, so they attached that inside the cabinets where you can't see it, in the corners. Alright, and next they started to just clean them off. They took off the plastic sheathing that it had. Like the first one that we saw.
Yeah, this is really nice. I usually don't like quartz, but this, I like the lines.
The lines on it, yeah. Alright guys, and here we have our final product of our countertops. Guys, I love this color, love the veining, and this is quartz, so it stands up better to staining than granite. We don't have to seal it and stuff, so we're really happy with it. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. Alright guys, there you have it. That was our countertop install. So I didn't want to bother the guys too much when they were working, so I kind of just stayed in the background and recorded. But I just wanted you guys to see how they came in and put them in and how they look now. So again, these are quartz. These are beautiful. We got a really good price thanks to a friend of my wife's. Shout out to Evelyn. And then also shout out to the guys at Granite Planet. They took care of us and they got in and out fast, and they came a couple days early, so good looking out. So thank you guys. If you liked the video, please hit that like and that subscribe down below, and let me know what you guys think of the countertops in the comments down below. Thank you guys, and we'll see you guys again next week.